All right, 2007 Toyota 4Runner, 4.7 liter V8 Sport Edition, four-wheel drive. We've got the drive shaft out. I got the seal out. This is the replacement front differential pinion seal. I'll bring you guys under here. Whoa. All right, there we go. Seal is out. Seal is actually right there in the bucket. She's a little mangled, but that is the oil slinger right there. All right, so this seal goes in right here. Okay, like that. And then I brought just I don't have any on me, but I don't have any seal drivers on me that will fit over trying to swing under this vehicle, that will fit over the pinion shaft. So what I'm just going to use is a brass punch and hammer, and I'm going to knock that in. But yeah, so the other one was pretty bad. I can get it out. There we go. So half the seal is gone. See if I can swing you guys out here. All right, there we go. So see all the steel? So yeah, this is from me warping it, pulling it out, but this shiny stuff right here at the front is not supposed to be there. It's not supposed to be shiny. It's actually supposed to be coated in rubber. The back doesn't look any better, but so I did get it out. Oh, it wasn't too bad. I just used a indexing pry bar. That's all I used to get it out. But hopefully I'll get this finished up, this hammered in. There is a lip on the inside of the diff for this seal. The seal will stop when it's done moving. It's not going to get, hung up. There is a depth it needs to go to. Don't go further than that depth, which you can't. But do not leave it stuck out like this. It does have to go in about 1/4 of an inch. So I'm going to get back to it.